Okay, guys, so in this video, we'll be seeing about how to log in into an account with the help of a bot. So for that, first I'm going to use an activity called as use application or browser, and I'm going to link the website to the UiPath Studio here. So the website I'm going to link is this particular page. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to link this, right? Okay, now I want to create a new account, right? So for that, I have to click onto this particular option. So for that, I'm going to use an application, an activity known as click. I'm going to drag and drop it down here. So, 1 minute. So I'm going to drag and drop it down here. So I have to go and select this particular thing here. So that, okay, right? Okay, so I clicked and it's asking me to confirm. So I'm going to give confirm. Okay, so I should do the same activity simultaneously in the Google screen also, right? So I'm going to give use another account. So it's asking me to enter a mail ID. So for that, I'm going to use an activity called as a type into, and I'm going to drag it and drop it down here. Okay, so I should go and select this particular box because that is where we need to type the email ID, right? So that I'm going to select the box and I'm going to give confirm. So in the UI Path Studio, it's asking me to give the text that has to be typed inside that particular box. So I'm going to give the mail ID that I want to create an account for. So this is what I want to enter into that particular box. I'm giving this. Okay. Now next is I need to give next. I have typed that same thing here, and I have to give next. Right, for giving next, I should use an activity called as click, and I'm going to give this here. So I have to go and click this, select this next, and give confirm. Okay, so I have to simultaneously do that in the website. So I'm going to give next here. Okay, next it's asking me to enter the password. So for that, again I have to use the activity called as type into. So I'm going to select it and drop it down here. So I have to go and select this field where I need to type the password. Okay, so I'm going to give confirm. So now I need to type the password, right? So I have to, okay, so password is, so this is the password and I have typed here. So the same thing I have to do here also. Okay, right? So next, after typing, I have to give next. So for that, I'm going to use an activity called as tick. So I'm going to drag it and drop it down here, and I'm going to select this next button here and give confirm. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing in the website here now. So I'm going to give confirm. So after giving confirm, it is going on to this particular website, right? So now you can also mm, give a message box or things like that. So for that, this is not necessary. It's just your if you want, you can give. So if I'm going to give a message box, displaying hi Sivasankaran like that because that is the name of the mail ID owners. I'm going to give this and give confirm, and then I'm going to enter a argument. Okay, right? So let the argument be anything, like anything. That is like maybe a hi. Okay. something like message. Okay, so I have to go and uh, create that is declare an argument called as message because that is what I have used, right? So I'm going to give this. So even after declaring this error here has not gone now, you should again open this. I mean, first of all, you have to clear this value here and then again open this and type the same thing and give OK. Now the error will be, it will disappear. So after giving this, since you need a message box to display, I'm giving message. I'm using an activity called as message box and then dragging and popping it down here. So here also the same argument that we used above should be given. Okay, it's already declared. So I'm going to give okay. So this is what we have to do. And one more thing is since so here, as you can see, when you run this code, you will be having an error. What because of what it is mean since you are going to give next simultaneously here, the time for typing this password will not be given. So in the time you are giving next, the password will already be typed. It will already be typed. So for that, you have to go to the properties here. So for that, you should first select this next, right? So because after clicking this next only, you will be having the error. So for that, I'm clicking this activity and after, so here you can see, right? Delay after in that property, I'll go and edit the second. That is do this activity right after 1 second. That it means I'm going to give 1 second here. So if you give so, it will wait for 1 second and then only the password will be typed. So you can I mean you can avoid the error that is happening here, right? So let me run this code and see whether the output is. So this opening. So this page has been opened. The another account. So the mail has been typed. Mail ID. Password has been typed. After that, that particular mail ID has been opened here. And the last thing is we need see. We also got the message box displaying hi Subsankan. So the code is being successful. Thank you guys for watching.